Today's experiment is about half subtractor. In half subtractor, we take two inputs A and B and two outputs are differentiator and borrow. This is our logic circuit of half subtractor. Here for differentiation, we take XOR IC, which is 7486, and a NOT gate IC 7404 and a AND gate IC 7408. So here you can see for differentiator, we take two inputs from A and B to XOR gate to XOR gate D, and then for borrow we take input A to first NOT gate pin number 1, then the output of NOT gate from pin number 2 to connect pin number 1 of AND gate. Then take input B to pin number 2 and we will get our final output borrow from pin number 3 of AND gate IC. So this is our truth table. Here input 0 0, then the differentiator will be 0 and the borrow will be 0. In 0 1 our differentiation will be 1 and borrow will be 1, and 1 0 differentiation 1 and borrow will be 0. In 1 1 differentiation 0 and borrow will be 0. Now we perform our experiment half subtractor in our digital trainer kit. So first we placed our 3 IC XOR, which is 7486, a NOT gate IC, which is 7404, and our AND gate IC, which is 7408. So now first we give our two power supply connection, power supply VCC connection to pin number 14 of each IC. 14 number pin of each IC. We give from this IC 14 number pin to 14 number pin. Then we give our ground connection to each IC. Ground connection to every pin or pin number 7 of each IC. So here is connection. Now we give inputs. We input A to first we arrange the circuit for differentiation. So for differentiation we give our input A to pin number 1 and input B to pin number 2 of 7486 IC XOR IC. Now for borrow, first we take input B from pin input B, from pin number 2 to our NOT gate IC pin number 1. Then the output of this IC is fed to pin number 1 of AND gate IC. Now we take input A. So we take input A from pin number 1 of XOR IC to pin number 2 of AND gate IC. Now we give for differentiation, we give our output to pin number 3 of 7486 XOR IC, and for borrow we give pin number 3 of 7408 AND gate IC. We will check our output by verifying the truth table. So first we switch on our gate. Then we check 0 0 is differentiation is 0, borrow is 0. Then 0 1, in 0 1 borrow will be 1 and differentiation also 1. Then 1 0, 1 0 differentiation 1, borrow 0. Then 1 1 differentiation 0 and borrow will be 0. This is your experiment for half subtractor.